Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel. We woke up this morning pretty hungry, so we thought we'd incorporate video along with our breakfast. We're going to make some French toast, but with hot dog rolls in an air fryer. It seems pretty easy, quite straightforward. We've measured out the ingredients. We've got some cinnamon sugar that we made earlier. There's no real recipe to it, it's just some sugar and some cinnamon. We've got, how much milk?
160 ml.
160 ml milk, 2 eggs, 4 hot dog rolls left over from dinner yesterday, some vanilla extract, and some more cinnamon. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to let Jen take over the method, so I can go and record behind the camera. I'm hungry.
Me too.
Right, let's just do it. Okay, right. So first we're going to mix up the wet ingredients. So the milk and the eggs. And I'm going to try and not mention anything about Jen's left-handed cack-handedness today.
Well, I did notice that actually some people supported the left-handedness of the world, so thanks,
yeah.
guys.
I suppose it's not
we are
just...
a minority in this world.
Yeah.
Oh, there we go. See, you jinxed it.
Yeah, I like my French toast extra crunchy with eggshells. It's fine. I'm not saying anything.
Right, we're adding the vanilla extract as well.
Yeah. How much vanilla extract is it?
1 teaspoon.
I always forget how thick vanilla extract is.
And you wanted some extra cinnamon in this, didn't you?
Yeah, I think we should put some cinnamon in it.
Because I think the recipe we saw didn't say to do this.
Yeah,
but
I've never
we
had
both
French,
like cinnamon.
Yeah, I've never had French toast without cinnamon in it.
Put a bit in.
Yeah. And you give that a bit of a mix. We preheated our air fryer 180 for 5 minutes.
It smells good.
Yeah, don't drink it.
Oh no. Not with milk in it.
That's what, the raw eggs is fine, but the milk is the problem. That's what you just said, isn't it?
Yeah, that's not what I implied. But
right. Well, what we have got today, guys, we've got a new wireless mic system, so hopefully the audio will be a bit better. So let us know what you think in the comments, whether it's improved or not.
I apologise if you hear me sniffing, because I've had a cold the last week, so
yeah. Well,
it might pick up on that a little bit.
As long as it's not going into our French toast, we're alright.
It's not, it's all good.
Okay. Right, so we've already pre-cut 3 of the rolls. We're just going to do them into quarters. Okay, right, so now we're all mixed. We need to get the last roll cut and then start dipping. Like I said, we've preheated the air fryer already. So
I might just move this to one side.
Yeah, yeah. So we're just going to quarters. I think we might have to do this in 2 batches.
Yeah, there's quite a lot, isn't there?
Yeah. I think what we're going to have to do is we're going to do it in the Ninja today in the crisper basket, but we have layered it with some parchment paper, or what are they called, loaf liners or something like that.
It was a loaf liner, but it's like a reusable one for other baking that we do.
Okay, so I'll get the crisper basket.
I'm just.
And you probably get 2 in there at a time.
Yeah, about that. Sorry.
Right. Actually, what I'll do is I'll get the camera and then I'll bring it in close. Okay, right. So there is our French toast. It did say don't soak them for too long. But what I'm going to do is we're going to cook them halfway and then we'll turn them over just to make sure. Oh, I'm well hungry now.
Not long.
Although I was well hungry before this, but even more so. Looks like quite a milky thing, doesn't it? I don't think you'd want to go less milk than that because you probably wouldn't have much left. We're going to turn it over halfway anyway, Jen. So right, what we're going to do is now we're going to whack this in the air fryer. Okay, right, so here we are over at the Ninja. Go on, Jen, whack it in. Watch your fingers. I hate the design of this thing. It's a great product, but they don't think about how you get the pot in and out. Right, so yeah, close the lid. And then over to air fryer 180. I'm not really sure of the timings on this, so what we're going to do is just put it on for 10. And then we'll check it after halfway. Right, so what we'll do is, in a second, once it's, well, in 5 minutes, once it's halfway, we'll come back and we'll show you what it's like. Okay, right, so this is our second batch. The first ones were a little bit dry, so what we've done with these ones, we've put a bit of spray oil on before we put them in to kind of help it, because the sugar and stuff wasn't sticking. So here we go, Jen, let's have a look. And these ones have only been here for 8 minutes, not 10. So let's have a look. Oh, they already look a lot better.
They look nice.
Yeah. Come on, let's get these out and then coated in sugar. Okay, right, so here we are. These are our first batch, where the sugar wouldn't stick. Oh, that ones are a bit better, aren't they?
Yeah. A little bit better.
Smells lovely.
It does smell really good.
I think next time we just kind of maybe melt some butter and do it and put that on there.
Yeah, potentially.
So what we're going to do is now we're just going to coat these and then we'll kind of switch to the taste testing. Okay guys, so now it's the taste test. It smells lovely, doesn't it? It's really good. But the first batch we didn't have any oil ones. We were really struggling to get the sugar and cinnamon to coat the French toast. So the second batch we sprayed it with a 1 cal spray just before we put it in. And then as we turned it over, we did it again. And then the sugar seems to have held a bit better on that now, doesn't it?
Yeah.
And we've also put a little drizzle of maple syrup on it as well, just to add to the calories, because it's Sunday and why not? Alright, should we have a bit of a taste test?
Yeah. I'm going to go for this bit.
Texture feels good though. It's French toast, isn't it?
Nice.
The other thing is, it's quite thick. It's a bit plain in the middle. So maybe we could
cut them thinner into maybe 6 slices. I think 8 would be way too thin for crumbs.
Yeah, it would be like them little bits of dry, crunchy veg you put on salads, isn't it?
Yeah.
But yeah, this is really nice. Easy as well. And good for leftover hot dog rolls, because you always end up having some left over. No, but I would definitely watch it. I would definitely recommend this, guys. This is lovely. Bear in mind, that's only 4 rolls as well, isn't it? That seems like a lot for how much you get.
16 pieces, isn't it?
Yeah, so yeah, definitely recommend it, guys. Thank you very much for everyone that's subscribed recently. We have had a load of subscribers. I think we're just under the 400 mark at the moment. But yeah, today we've got another 3 more videos after this one planned to go with our meals. So last time we did it, we kind of did all 4 in one afternoon. It was a bit much. So now we're planning these out with the meals that we're eating. So yeah, this is our breakfast. And then lunch, we've got, well, some chicken tenders and cheese wrap thing.
Garlic wraps.
Yeah. And then for pudding later is pretty special. That's like puff pastry done in the air fryer. So yeah, thank you very much for watching, guys. Any questions, any hints, tips or recommendations, please leave them down below. We do love reading the comments. We don't get to them every single day, but when we do, I try and just have an evening just replying to everyone. So yeah, thank you very much for watching, guys, and see you on the next one.